This 63 Falcon is a pretty cool barn find. We have not taken the time to clean this car due to the fact we wanted to represent it exactly as the barn find that it was. But here's a quick video. The car is showing 15,000 miles. We do not represent the mileage to be correct because it's a 5-digit odometer, and no matter how much documentation, we're not going to misrepresent a car at this price point or at any price point. This car is a 6-cylinder. Not sure of which design engine because it has been painted. Some say that this engine in this car should be born in black, but as you can see, somebody has painted it because of the overspray. The body lines on this car are extremely straight. We are no experts on this era of classic car. My father was. Wish he was still around today because he had God knows how many of these over the years. But we did have a semi-expert come by and look at this car, and you can see his review on barnfinds.com, I think is where he placed it. He was very impressed. To us, it's just another older car, but you can see underneath the dirt, the paint is actually in pretty good shape. It is for sure a repaint. We do not have a key to get in the trunk, unfortunately, and somebody has removed the ignition. I believe the keys have been lost. We did put power to the motor and spin it over. Another question people have asked is it a true 4-speed? I guess that makes it rather rare. To answer your question and to prove, 1, 2, 3, 4, come over, lock out, reverse. So yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, then reverse. So it is a true 4-speed car. What it was born with, what it came with, what it should have, who knows? Most people are going to do some sort of an update and make this a retro vehicle. Here is the VIN number that we located, in case anybody wants to research, in case they want to go back original. But a lot of people are putting the later model drive lines, LS's and Coyote motors, and there's the door VIN tag with all of its codes and everything else. As you can see, the bottoms of the doors, bottoms of the rockers, undercarriage of the car, pretty solid. So really neat, really a legit barn find. The owner of this had several other vehicles, most of which are for sale as well, that we purchased in this package. Some we have taken the time to clean up, but they all looked exactly the same. He is still alive. This isn't some death purchase or something like that. Just the upkeep of these cars and his business just outweighed themselves, so that's why they had sat. He'd buy them, he'd enjoy them for a week or two, and then they would legitimately get parked. And most of them we've been able to get running. A little bit of gas, some carburetor cleaner, sometimes rebuild the car. Of course, all of them need a battery. But legit parked away. As you can see on this one, shucks, 30 years to be exact. 30 years of sitting since this last inspection. But we'll try to do videos of others, but lots of reach out on this car, so we wanted to get this video documented as well as possible. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions, want any other pictures, videos, etc., we'll be happy to get them for you.